Hello everyone, welcome to GreyPot. Today we are trying this caramel stuffed cookies. But these cookies are so wonderful. Let's see how to do it. Into a bowl add some room temperature butter and blend it using a hand blender. Add in some white sugar, brown sugar and blend it well. Add one whole egg with some vanilla essence and mix it with the butter and sugar. Scrape down the sides and start adding the dry ingredients like all-purpose flour, baking soda and some salt. Mix it well with the butter. Add rest of the flour and mix until no longer you can see the dry flour. Mix it using your hands and make it into a cookie dough. Now take small portions of this dough. Add around 1 tablespoon of caramel and cover it. Press down the sides and just slightly roll it. Now place this on a baking tray lined with parchment paper and leave some space in between because these cookies gonna spread while baking. Bake them at 170 degrees Celsius for 14 to 15 minutes. And once it cools down, it's ready to enjoy. Look at that beautiful cracks and the caramel oozing out. These cookies are really crispy on the edges and chewy in the middle with the caramel sauce. And because it is so delicious, you simply cannot stop at one. So make a good number of cookies to enjoy. Definitely try out this recipe. Leave your valuable comments and suggestions in the comment section below. Click the logo to subscribe to GreyPot. Watch more interesting recipes from our channel. Thank you.